Okay, exam 2 review, question number 1. All right, so this is one of those charts. It's got like probability of, there's even the word or in there. Okay, so that was, you had to just kind of do it with the English language. First of all, you always need to know what denominator you're going to use. Now this chart doesn't have so many numbers in it, but everything in the chart, just all the stuff in the center of the chart just gets added up and put into this box over here, total of all totals. So 39 plus 23 plus 38, that's 100. That's going to be your denominator. And the only time that's not going to be your denominator is if I see one of those given lines, one of those vertical lines in the middle of the problem, which I don't see any of in this problem. So I know my denominator. Now the numerator, that's where you just go with the English language. Probability of red. Okay, anything that has to do with those words, that one. All right, so 39 out of 100. Or I could call that 0.39. 39 out of 100 doesn't actually reduce, but what if I wasn't sure? What if it was like 38 out of 100? Maybe that reduces or something, and I'm like, I don't want to figure it out. If I change it into a decimal, I don't have to figure out if stuff reduces, so I always just prefer to put it in decimal. Just go 39 divided by 100 in my calculator, and it'll change it into a decimal. Okay, and you're not supposed to change it into a percent. You're not supposed to turn it into 39%. Because probabilities are supposed to be between 0 and 1. All right, moving on to the next question. Red or blue? It just means what it means in English. Red or blue. Go get me something that's red or blue. Okay, it obviously can't be both of them at the same time, but just as long as it's red or it's blue, that'll be fine. So any of those. So that's 62. Now here, if you leave it as a fraction, you'd have to reduce that. You'd have to call that 31 out of 50. And I just don't want to even figure out if stuff reduces, so I just change them into decimals. Probability of not red. Okay, so this line means not, and it's kind of an underline just because I was using a Word document and it wouldn't let me overline. So, but overline means not that. Okay, not red. All right, definitely not this. But yellow is not red. Yellow should count. There's the stuff that's not red. Okay, so what is that? 61.